Hi, I'm Jan from VelomobileWorld.com and welcome to this toolbox talk. Hi, I'm Jan from VelomobileWorld.com and today's video I'm gonna show you something about front suspension from the Alfa 7. A client of us, an Alfa 7 driver, Robert Klotzner, I hope I say your name well, asked how to change the settings of his suspension. So that's why I want to show you a short video. So here you see my Alfa 7, and I took already the front wheel down. As you can see evidence I really use my Alfa 7, and probably this is 50% is cow poo, because we have quite some cows jumping around in our village. First of all, there are two ways to deassemble your front suspension. One way is to take down the screw here on the top and pull this out, and you have a little bit chance to scratch here the paint. So I will show you the other one. These are the standard settings, so 6 of these and 2 POM washers. And this is the setting I drive now, because with high speeds I couldn't drive with the 8 elastomeres anymore because I was too wobbly. So what you also can do is, if you want to have a harder suspension, there is still some of these POM washers in a spare in the bike, delivered with it, and you put 4 of them first, and then you put 5 of these, so 5 elastomeres and 4 POM washers. I think the majority is best served with the standard suspension setting, so that's 6 elastomeres and 2 POM washers. Have fun, see you next time. If you liked our video, please consider subscribing of it. If you want to let some comments behind with some ideas from other videos, just put it in the comments. We have also a website, VelomobileWorld.com. Have a look, have a great day, bye bye.